Hello, magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa fire sign na Sagittarius. Lala Baby nagpapakilala. Bigyan ko kayo ng timeless reading, ha? Excuse me. General po ito, hindi po ito personal reading, okay? Or private reading. Isang likes lang po, subscribes kung di pa po kayo nakasubscribe at share para lang po lumago ang channel ng Lala Baby. So your first tarot card is tinatawag na the Wheel of Fortune. So pag sinabi mo the Wheel of Fortune, it has something to do about blessings, provisions, di ba? Okay, for some of you, it's about your success, di ba? So narito yung tinatawag na the moon, okay? So what about the moon? For some of you, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag paghihirap, maaring, kasi sumunod siya sa the Wheel of Fortune. Kung isa lang pong card na ito, wala tayong problema, okay? Since sumunod ang tinatawag na the Wheel of Fortune, yan, dito. Ibig sabihin, kino-confirm lang nito for some of you yung tinatawag na dire-diretso ang labas ng pera. Okay? It's like non-stop ang labas ng pera. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na very gloomy. For some, is like their life is very, very gloomy. Okay? Maring for some of you is yung tinatawag may mga byudo-byuda dito, di ba? Yan. Maring dito yung tinatawag nakakaranas yan ng sabihin na natin sakit, di ba? Maring ito yung tinatawag nasa mga home for the aged, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito hindi active ang kanyang tinatawag public life. Okay? Kung dalawang cards ang babasahin natin. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, meron tinatawag dito the Eight of Pentacles, di ba? So, the Eight of Pentacles, ibig sabihin yan, ano ang nararamdaman ninyo? For some of you, kung ito yung tinatawag, dito lang sa tinatawag the Wheel of Fortune, it's about what you are capable of, di ba? Yan. For some of you, maswerte kayo. Maaari ito'y may kinalaman sa marriage, maswerte kayo sa inyong marriage life, di ba? Maswerte kayo sa inyong hanap buhay, maswerte kayo sa inyong kapalaran. So, for some of you here, kung dito natin siya ilalagay sa tinatawag na the moon, is tinatawag na nag-i-struggle siya, okay? They are struggling, yan. So, meron dito tinatawag to 4, 6, 8, 9, the 9 of Pentacles, di ba? Yan. To the 8 of wands, okay? So, ang nakikita ko for some of you, it's like tinatawag na you're making your way up to your success, okay? Making your way up to your success. Diba? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na it is manifesting, diba? It's like kung ano itong wala sa inyo, it is manifesting, okay? Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag, it's like climbing the Kilimanjaro, climbing the top of the Mount Everest, okay? Yan. So, nakikita dito, ha? Your way up, nagkakaroon ng tinatawag na increase gains yan. Nagkakaroon ng increase gains yan. So, sandali lahat, inaayos ko ang inyong tinatawag yan. Silagay ko din, ha? Okay? Yan. So, tingnan natin, ha? Kaya your last card. Yan. That's the energy, okay? So, naririto ang tinatawag na the king, okay? The king of Pentacles. It's about your mission, it's about your goals, it's about your names, it's about your work, di ba? It's about your tinatawag na career. Nakikita ko. Yan, for some of you, it's about your growth, okay? So, gagamitan natin ng panibagong card, okay? It's like for some of you, you are making a name, okay? You are making a name. It's like about stability of your wealth, okay? It's about your higher learning. It's about your philosophy, di ba? For some of you, it's about your perspective, life perspective, mission goals. Okay? Yan. So, meron ditong tinatawag na, ano gaari, ano ito? The Knight of Pentacles, di ba? It's like nakikita dito, it's about your preparation, curiosity, yan, accepting, studying, kung ano man yung pinag-aaralan ninyo. Okay? Maybe a new job order, a new job offer, a new relationship, di ba? A new career, di ba? So for some of you, manifesting kung ano man itong tinatawag na the Page of Pentacles. Yan, ha? So, it has something to do. Okay? Sandali lang. Ilang ito? 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay? So, ang nakikita ko dyan, manifesting. Okay? About your name. Diba? Kasi nakikita dito yung tinatawag, you are on your way to the top. Yan, no? You are on your way to the top sa Wheel of Fortune. So, manifesting po ito. Okay? Manifesting. Maybe sabihin na natin you will receive a windfall of money, a bonus, a wealth, yan, transfer, a new beginning, di ba? It has something to do about your name, reputation, yan, dignity. Dito, you are on your way up to your success. Okay? Sa tinatawag na the world. Okay? What's waiting for you? For some of you, it's like nakikita dito since this is tinatawag na the moon, di ba? What's waiting for you? It's about your curiosity. It's like tinatawag magkakaroon dito ng result. The result you are waiting for a long time, di ba? Yan. So, naririto, the result you are waiting for a long time, manifesting na po ito. Manifesting na. Yan, okay? Ibig sabihin, magkakaroon ito ng tinatawag na success. Materials, di ba? It's about tinatawag na magmamaterials na kung ano man ito. Kasi kino-confirm ng the world and the Wheel of Fortunes. Okay? Blessings coming your way. Yan, ha? It's about instability, security. So, kung ano man yan, ha? Okay. It's like tinatawag, you're on your way to success. You're on your way to success na. So, meron dito tinatawag blessings. Yan, no? Blessings po. Manifesting, ha? Coming your way. Magmamaterialize na po. Yan, no? Materialize na, okay? It's like tinatawag na hard work pays off. Magkakaroon ng payoff. So, narito yung tinatawag na the Six of Swords. Yan, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag, sandali lang nga, ito yung the six. Ito na may eight of, anong tawag dito? The eight of, sandali, yan. The eight of wands, okay? Yan. Sandali, yan. Nagkaano-ano na. The eight of wands, yan, ibig sabihin nito. What you are doing, what you are creating, what you are manifesting, what you are waiting, di ba? Ayan na po, yan. Ano na po ito? Oncoming na. On the way na po ito. On the way na. Whatever is this, is like tinatawag magkakaroon na ito ng sealed. Yan, no? Sealed. Yan, ha? Yung tinatawag na a go signal. There is a go signal. So, ano ito? Yan, the Ten of Cups. Yan, okay? So, ibig sabihin nitong the Ten of Cups na ito is yung tinatawag na searching. Okay? Searching for their happiness. Okay? For some of you here is tinatawag na they are blessed. Okay? Is a single. Blessed. Pero single sila. Okay? Yan. So, maaari sabihin na nating mga matatandang dalaga, matandang binata. Kasi there is a trouble. It's like tinatawag na going. Okay? Going away. Yan, ha? It's like there is a trouble. Ayan o, ibig sabihin highlights dito, trouble. So for some of you, meron dito tinatawag na nag-iisa. Okay, maybe sabihin na nating byudo ito, di ba? It's like tinatawag looking forward para makilala nila itong kapartner. Kasi narito ang tinatawag marriage, okay? So maybe ito sabihin na nating mamamanhi ka na, okay? Planning for a tinatawag settle down. Dahil narito ang the world, magsa-settle down, kailangan ito ay mas mag-manifest, di ba? It's like their energy, okay? Yan, oh. Yan, nakita na nila yung tinatawag potential, their soulmates. Kaya narito ang the temperance, di ba? Okay? So, gagamitan ko ng another tarot. Yan, ha? Very, very prosperous. Ya dane, Ya dane. Okay. So narito yung tinatawag na the hermit. Okay, the hermit is tinatawag na finding their soulmates. They are finding their soulmates. Okay? Yan. It's about time. It's like tinatawag na kita na nila ang kanilang soulmates. Yan, no? Yan. So there is a meeting up. Okay? Yan, for you. So there is highlights po dito ang tinatawag travel, ha? Okay? Pagbabago ng kanilang kapalaran, naka-highlights po dito, okay? So narito yung tinatawag na for some of you, it's a misunderstanding, nakakapagod. It's like a backstabbing, kung ano man ito, di ba? Yan, it needs to be released, yan. Yan, nakikita ko lang. Sino ito nagbabackstab sa inyo, okay? So narito ang sandali lang, ha? O ito yung tinatawag backstabbing. So meron dito, it's like tinatawag na ibang tao, okay? Yan. It's like there is no, walang pagkakaunawaan, okay? Yan. It's like ano lang ito, nauuwi lang sa walang katapusang pag-uusap. It's like, pauli-uli lang itong pag-uusap na ito. Okay? Sandali at kinukuha ko lang itong tinatawag na energy. Okay? Yan. So, ibig sabihin, wala ditong harmony. Okay? Wala. Hindi harmonized ang energy mo, you and them. Okay? Between you and them, kung sino man ito. Maybe your siblings, friends, di ba? Maari sa trabaho or a marriage, di ba? Maybe for some of you, it has something to do about marriage, okay? So, narito rin yung tinatawag na, okay, the ending. Maybe this is the ending of a relationship. Yan. There is an ending of a relationship. Yan, ha? Ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag baka ito is mag-divorce o tinatawag na breakup. May breakup dito. So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag. Ito pagka sinabi mong the hermit, it has something to do about pag-iisa. Yan, ha? Okay, pag-iisa. So, they will be single again. So, ibig sabihin nito, maybe this person is looking, searching for someone to spend their lives. Kaya narito ang tinatawag na the world and the wheel of fortune. Okay? So, sandali lang. Ha? Okay. Tingnan po natin. Ayan. Gamit ako ng ibang cards. Ayan. Meron ditong meeting up, ha, kung sino man ito. It's like relationship, a new relationship, curiosity, preparation. You will receive tinatawag na information, preparation. Diba? Yan, no? There is a travel. There is a fun. Fun. It's more about fun. Okay? Fun time together. A fun. Okay? So, tingnan ko lang. So, meron dito, it's like tinatawag na you will receive kalungkutan. Yan, Sagittarius. Kung ano man itong kalungkutan na ito. Meron ditong malungkot, okay? A person. Ibig sabihin nito, malungkot siya sa kanyang pag-iisa. Malungkot siya sa kapalaran ng buhay niya. Malungkot siya because she's single. Maaring dito, nag-iisa lang siya sa bahay niya. Malungkot siya sa naging outcome ng kanyang kapalaran. Okay? Malungkot siya dahil hindi niya nakita ang kanyang tinatawag na soulmate, di ba? Malungkot siya dahil hindi pa dumadating yung kanyang swerte. Okay? For some of you. Whatever is this, it's like tinatawag malungkot siya dahil ay hindi pa nagmamaterialize ang kanyang dreams, hopes, yan, okay? And prayers. So for some of you, it's like tinatawag there is a preparation, okay? Yan. So whatever is this for some of you, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na they are apart. May distansya sila, okay? Sa public, let's say public affairs, sa kanilang public affairs may distansya. It's more about themselves, di ba? Yan. So, meron dito ang tinatawag celibacy. May mga Sagittarius, they are, celibacy nakikita ko, pag-iisa, maybe, ibig sabihin natin, nasa congregation, maybe they are a priest, di ba? Or a layman. Okay? So, for some of you here, it's like, tinatawag na they are enjoying, okay? They are enjoying their lives, di ba? For some of you, nakikita dito yung tinatawag na nag-iisip sila paano nila mababago ang kanilang buhay, okay? So for some of you are very, very blessed kahit sila is single, di ba? Yan. So for some of you, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag they are luck abroad. Meron dito mga luck abroad, okay? Bakit luck abroad? I do not know. Maybe it has something to do about their job, their work. O kaya yung tinatawag na luck abroad sila sapagkat maaring sabihin na nating nasa prison, di ba? Or kaya yung tinatawag trabaho na they cannot go out, di ba? Yan. Walang freedom, okay? So, for some of you, ibig sabihin nito, kung luck abroad kayo, luck abroad ang nakikita ko, di ba? It's like tinatawag na gusto mong magbago ng career. Maaring tinatapos mo lang kontrata mo, and then you will transfer to another location, to another place, house, trabaho, relationship. Okay? So, for some of you, ibig sabihin nito, nasasaksihan mo. For some of you lang nakikita ko, may mga nasasaksihan kayong hindi nyo naman dapat makita. Diba? You're very, very concerned, diba? About maaari ito yun ba, sabihin natin, may mga sakit sila. Very, very concerning. Okay? So, for some of you, you are guided by your angels, diba? For some of you, you have frustration, nag-iisa kayo, whatever is this. Gusto ninyo tinatawag na mabago ang inyong tinatawag atmosphere, environment, location, situation, bahay man ito, career, love, romance, di ba? So for some of you here, nakikita dito, you are in a marriage. Nasa loob siya ng marriage, di ba? Very, very blessed naman ang marriage. For some of you, you live abroad. Maybe you are tinatawag na engaged or married to a foreigners, okay? So whatever is this, nagkaroon dito ng tinatawag na abnormalities kasi na dito on the Three of Swords, di ba? To the tinatawag na the world, abnormalities or kaya setbacks. May mga setbacks for some of you, okay? Yan, okay? Yan, whatever is this, may mga setbacks sa buhay ninyo, okay? So ibig sabihin nito, for some of you is accepting new obligation, new responsibilities, a duty, di ba? So it's about what you can offer. Yan ha, dito sa tinatawag, okay? Na the Eight of Wands. So manifesting, okay? Manifesting. For some of you, nakikita dito, okay? It's about how you spend, okay? Paano mo patakbuhin ang buhay mo, okay? For some of you, you are enjoying your life. Maybe you are married to a rich man, di ba? But you are living abroad. For some of you, tinatawag lock up abroad. Maybe they live abroad or lock up sila sa isang institution, okay? Yan. So for some of you are blessed. Narito yung tinatawag self-undoing, like meditation, praying, di ba? So for some of you, it's about your hopes, your dreams, magkakaroon ng tinatawag action, okay? What's your hopes and dreams? You are planning, yan, organizing, studying, and ibig sabihin, action. Okay? What's missing in your life, 'di ba? Ibig sabihin nito, kailangan mag-materialize ito. Okay? So thank you very much.